Dr. William Samoei Ruto. All protocols observed. Your Excellency, allow me to congratulate you for being the President of this great Republic of Kenya. You were not my presidential candidate, but now you are my President. When we met in Mukuru, you asked us as members of Parliament to be wary of what you want to do for the people of this great country of Kenya in terms of housing, to put dignity back into their lives. And you said you would be bringing a bill for the housing fund. We're waiting anxiously for it because we want our citizens to live with dignity. We want to eliminate slums in this great country of Kenya. Your Excellency, I recently read in the paper that Nairobi is going to have a population of 10 million by 2050. 10 million by 2050. For me, I feel we really need to also guard our population. There is no country that doesn't plan its population that can give wealth to its citizens. I really want to appeal to you, Your Excellency, to look into commodities for our women, to look into gender-based violence and give us more money. Nairobi, thanks to the governor, is going to have the first sexual gender-based safe house. We're ready to do the groundbreaking. We're just waiting for the CS. But having said all this, Your Excellency, I want to also recognize that the father of slum upgrading is none other than Raila Amolo Odinga. And for that, I want to say thank you, because a good leader takes every good project that is there. And I know you're going to look into housing, you're going to look into food security, you're looking into water. In this city of mine, Nairobi, there are women who trade their bodies for water. I was talking to the governor about it. So we have a lot of work to do. What I want to say, we will join hands with you. We will give you support so that we can serve the great country that we call Kenya. God bless Kenya. God bless you, Your Excellency. Thank you.